Hello everyone, Ranjit this side. Welcome to the Data Scientist. Today's video we are diving into a sophisticated technical analysis tool called the Zero Lag Exponential Moving Average. So if you are looking for a way to reduce the lag and improve your trading precision, this is a strategy for you. Now if you see on this window, we have exponential moving average and zero lag exponential moving average, and you can see the major difference. Both are the same indicators, but one with a zero lag and one with a normal lag. Right, so we will discuss about it and I will show you how you can create this one of your own, because this is the zero lag exponential moving average goes with the trend and with the price. So whenever there is a downtrend or uptrend, this indicator will react to that particular time frame. Now, what is zero lag exponential moving average or ZLEMA? Well, it's a modified version of a traditional exponential moving average or EMA designed to reduce the lag. This indicator uses a simple adjustment by subtracting the lag from the price before applying the EMA calculation. So at the back end, everything is same like a normal exponential moving average, but what we are doing, we are subtracting the lag. So when we are reducing the lag from a price, right, so the indicator works like instantly. It gives you the indication like whether the market is going up or whether the price is going up or down, right? Now this makes ZLEMA more responsive to price changes, giving traders a clear picture of the market trend. Now how the ZLEMA works, or how the zero lag exponential moving average works. Now let's see how the ZLEMA works. I'll show you the logic behind it and then we can work on that. Right, so the key to ZLEMA's effectiveness lies in its formula. So the formula is, the ZLEMA is calculated by first removing the lag from the price. So what we are doing, we have defined a period. So let's say we have 14 days period, right? So 14 days period means 14 days of window. Now how we are calculating the lag is the period minus 1, which is the previous day, divided by 2. So let's say we have 14 days. So 14 days minus 1 is what? 13 divided by 2. So this is the lag that we are trying to utilize it. Now what we are doing, we are creating an adjusted price. So this is where everything goes in as a let's say formula. Now this adjusted price is used to compute the EMA. Now what is it? It's a difference between the current price, which is this one, the close price, and the price from the half of EMA's period ago. So half of period EMA ago means this lag price or this lag, the price of this lag minus the close. So the adjusted price will be close plus the calculation that we did over here. Right, now let's calculate ZLEMA. So what it says, if the ZLEMA is not available, then the adjusted price, right, which is our ZLEMA plus 1 and 2 divided by the period plus 1 multiplied by adjusted price minus ZLEMA 1. So this is the overall formula, and then we are plotting the blue line. So how does this blue line works? If you see, now let's try to interpret what we are exactly trying to do over here. Let me just hide this exponential moving average, because we don't need it, because we have zero lag exponential moving average. So how does this work? Whenever the price is closing above the ZLEMA, we buy it. Simple as that. It's that straightforward. And whenever there is a price closing below the ZLEMA, we sell the stock. That's it. I mean, see how reactive it is. I mean, how much accurate this is. Like whenever the price is going down, even the ZLEMA is going down. So I would say this could be a game changer when it comes to the exponential moving average, but this is an advanced exponential moving average. So because we know exponential moving average is basically a lagging indicator, but what we are doing over here, we are reducing or we are removing the lag from exponential moving average, and then we are giving you a zero lag exponential moving average. Now see, sometimes or in most of the videos I would suggest to not use any indicator alone. So always try to use one more indicator. So let's say we will use I don't know, maybe RSI. Let's try RSI. Let's try to add it. So what it says, so here basically the ZLEMA is saying buy it over here. So and this is exactly what the RSI is also saying, buy it over here, because it has gone above 50, right? So I would say give it a try, check it. Now what I will do, I will share the Python code, the VBA code, as well as the Pine code. So Pine code is already there, like I mentioned. So this was our Pine code. if you want, you can surely visit my website. I will share this the Python code as well as the VBA code. Right, so let's try the Python code now. Let me open, I don't know if this is what we were doing, but yeah, so we have exponential moving average. Okay, anyways, so let me create a new file, so a new Jupyter notebook file. I'll just paste the code over here, and then I will just now I will take you guys through what it is. Let me just select the kernel. So we have Python, this one, right? So what we have over here is more of we are trying with the VBL.ns. Let's take it till 2024, maybe somewhere 8th month, right? So yeah, I mean, see, I'll just take you through it, what it is. So we have pandas library, we have numpy, matplotlib and yfinance as usual. So this is how the function of to calculate the lemma. So like I mentioned in the Pine code, so we have the lag, we have lemma, how we calculate it. So we have price lag and then the adjusted price, exactly that the way I shown you on the Pine code or as a Pine code, right? And then we have historical data. So let's just try to run it and see how it goes. Okay, great. I think it's too much. It's too big. Let's try to reduce the data. Maybe 1 year data might be helpful. Okay, so here we have maybe I don't know. Let's give it red. So red is our lemma. So if you can see, the lemma is it's really good. I mean, it does react to the market very well or to the price really well, right? So I would suggest give it a chance or give it a try, see how it works. If not, then maybe we have thousands of indicators which can be used, right? So this was the Python code. Let me just yeah, leave it like this. So we have, I've shared the Python code or I will share the Python code on the website. You can take it from there and then Pine code as well. And now we have the VBA. So I will not run the VBA code, but I will show you the VBA code, which is almost the same that we were doing earlier. So I'll just add the module. See, I'll just take you through it, what it is. Maybe I'll just increase the size or something. I don't know. Let me try tools or view options, editor format. Let me try to increase. Okay, so I think this is good, right? We have the Excel worksheet 1 where we are saving the data, and then we have the last row. We again, like the period is 14 and again the same. I mean, the logic is the same. And then we have lemma, adjusted price is this one, and then we are calculating the subsequent rows. So see, this is, I believe this is a good indicator if you try to implement and then see how it works. But at the end of the day, it's totally up to you. But you can surely share on the comment section if you have tried and how it was. Till then, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit on the bell icon for more trading insights and the strategies. I think this is one of the best strategies that I have come across in the recent time or indicator. So yeah. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Like I said, and eat well and drink plenty of water. Bye. Take care.